Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my pantry. This is episode 2 of decluttering the shit out of my life, and we're doing the pantry. And I know not everyone has a pantry, and I feel very, very lucky that we have a pantry. It was just an understairs cupboard when we moved in, and it was gross and it was horrible, and then Ben very kindly turned it into a pantry for me because we went for a matte black kitchen, and when we moved in, our kitchen was in the other room, and it literally had one cupboard, one drawer, a sink and a cooker that fused the house when you turned it on. So we went for a matte black kitchen in here, but we didn't want to do loads of wall cupboards because we thought it would make it imposing. So we thought, well, we don't need wall cupboards if we turn the understairs cupboard into a pantry. So very lucky we have one. However, because it is away from the kitchen, it's very easy just to be like, chuck it in. And it has got into an absolute state. So this is what we're doing today on this decluttering episode. So there was some organisation, like now, like the kids are literally just putting stuff on the floor. There was organisation to it. These two little IKEA units, this one is meant to be like tinned stuff, like basics like passata and corn and beans and stuff. That one down there is meant to be sweet things. This was sauces and cereal, and then it was like packets and then spreads, and then that was some tins up there and pasta, the big things, and then it was I like to put things into tubs, so there's, you can kind of see that's a little bit organised. And then this is just like extra stuff, like anything excess that I've got won't fit in a tub, and then things that we don't use very often. So we're going to sort it out. I really don't want to do this. This is like one of my least favourite jobs just because it involves taking everything out. The kids are home, obviously it's school holidays, we've got one there. And then those two are playing Plop Trumps, which is possibly the grossest game ever. So they're going to be around. But we're going to just jump in and do it. And I think the first thing I want to do is remove everything from this shelf to go through and condense, and I can see like quite a lot of bottles like are barely full, and I might be able to like decant things if we've got 2 bottles of the same thing open. So I'm gonna clear a space on my worktop. I'd just like to show you that these cupboards are still organised. They're still organised. But yeah, I'm gonna make a space here and we're gonna empty that first shelf. Right, everything is out. We've got mainly just put sauces over here. And I've got cereals, and then I've just got my egg shed there. I've cleaned, kitty cat, I've cleaned all the shelf, so it's ready. My eggs are going back here because I like them there, and then I'm going to try and do sauces. I think I might do sauces here. No, because my sauces are tall bottles. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but we're gonna cull, because I found, like, I've got all these things. I bought these online. They're like bagel seasonings, but the everything bagel seasoning is just like 90% salt. It's just too salty to put on anything, so I'm going to mix them all. Oh, I'm going to mix them all together in a jar and make my own bagel seasoning. But yeah, there's quite a few things. Like that is white vinegar, but it's like hardly any left. Olive oil there, another one at the back. I'm just going to mix them. Soy sauce, I've got like 4 different bottles open. So yeah. Oh, I didn't want to lick my finger then. That was soy sauce. That is not what I want in the morning. So I will show you when we've had a bit of a organise. Okay, we've done eggs, stock cubes. These are meat, like beef and chicken, and then my veggie ones are in the back. Some extra Maldon salt, my homemade, not homemade, but like, you know, you taught me make it, the spice mix, 4 bagels, oil, sesame oil, chili oil. This is my favourite hot sauce in the whole world. I absolutely love it, so I always like to 2 bottles minimum, and I buy it when it's on offer because it's expensive. Sriracha and sweet chilli, we use that all the time. Ketchup, brown sauce, Worcester sauce and browning. These are like seasonings, mustard, chipotle. I got this in a deguster box. It's like a mushroom ketchup, which we've never used. And then we've got hot sauces, all hot sauces here. And then I've got sort of like more my Asian kind of cooking, where we've got like the rice vinegars, my soy, my 5-spice, oyster sauce, fish sauce. And I've got a bit of a gap because I have noticed there's more sauces up here. And then I've put my cereals along there. So next I'm gonna do the same to this shelf. And we're just gonna work our way through the shelves, and then I'm gonna go to the cupboards. So shelves first, this one is next. My little helper helped me empty this shelf. So we've got lots of randoms. We've got lots of different like sweets, breads and sauces. Loads of packet mixes. My mum literally brings me packet mixes and stuff every week, which I don't really use, to be honest, but we're going to go through them and then we'll food bank the ones we don't use. Nuts and seeds, a couple of random jars. This is more like baking stuff. So we've got coconut flour, corn flour, almond essence, cocoa powder, found some random cereals, some noodles, like treat bars. We need to put them somewhere else. Then the kids snacks, we've got like some Smarties buttons and some pretzels. More kids snacks there. The cheese that need to be decanted. Spicy nuts, a naan bread thing. These are like sauce things. And then biscuits, some rice, flour, and then a couple of random cans. So we're going to organise and cull, and I'll show you what we were left with. Right, I've just started putting stuff back. I put my flour here. I use my flour all the time, so it was at that end, it was just a pain in the arse having to get it. So I'm putting my flour here, and I've started putting some sauces and stuff on, but as I'm noticing, there's like chocolate spread, that is going to come down here, so I'm going to move that as I see it, which will hopefully mean less organising on the next shelf. So yeah, that is the plan, to move things as I see them. Like vanilla's going to come down here, spray oil is going to come down here, not that we ever use that, I don't know why we've even got that. More hot sauces and stuff, these will get moved into the hot sauce area. So yeah. Okay, so now this one, I think I'm going to do like dry noodles and pasta, and then like things like cup of soups and packets of noodles, which I have got in here. So I'm going to take them out of there and put them here. Like I'm trying to do like a little, this is like grown-up snacks. This is a kid's snacks down here. Yeah. So we'll clear that one, and then we shall see where we are. Alright, it's empty and it's all over here. I've started condensing because I had a massive tub with pasta in it from when I bought like a 4-kilo bag of pasta, but it was nearly empty. So I've just popped it in a small one, and I write the instructions on the top. This is quick cook, it's 4 minutes, just so if Ben's here and doesn't know what to do, which is like most of the time. Noodles, got some lentils, couscous, a couple of taco things, some black beans, more noodles, and then anything that we've already got out. These are like my excess, so these are going to go on the top shelf. So another bag of penne, another thing of noodles, rice, and then all these hot sauces aren't opened. Then there's more rice. Flour's going to go in the big one. Yeah, we are getting there. So I've got black beans. I actually think I'm going to put these up the top when I get a chair. Green lentils, tacos, and some dosa mix. And I've got ready-made rice, noodle pots. These are just like loose noodles. Quinoa, couscous, pastas, and then we've organised like all the ramen and stuff. Ben has these a lot for his lunches, so we've organised those. Now I'm going to get all of this down and all of this down, and just kind of put it back together as we can. Here you got there, Mika. Yappy. And there's a bandit in my pantry. Where are you going, sir? Can I help you? Hey, Bobby. Oh, hey, Guayi. Everybody's here apart from Binksy Cat. I don't know where he is. Right, we are looking much better. So we've got extra stuff up there, like there's an oil up there. These dipping saucers. My mum always gets these things in degusta box and she doesn't like them. So anything she doesn't like in degusta box, she just brings to us, and Ben really likes those. And then we've just got extra random bits. Lentils, polenta, brown sugar, icing sugar, dark brown sugar, caster sugar, granulated sugar, chocolate chips, sprinkles, coconut flour, demerara, self-raising, noodles, pastas. These are like hemp heart, spirulina powder, cacao and chia seeds. So now I'm going to empty, I don't know which one I'm going to do first. I might do this one first. I might get the girls to bring this out for me. See if I can earn some pocket money doing it. What do you reckon? Yeah. Teamwork? Oh, there's a banana in the cardigan. Who can do the best dance move in front of the camera? Pantry party! This looks like it's a lot of shit, because it is a lot of shit. You have to bear in mind, up until recently I had my own cake business, which is why we have a ridiculous amount of chocolate and marshmallows. And I got sent recently a box of protein bars from Grenade because I found a bit of plastic in one of their bars. I bought these on Amazon because they are delicious. Again, I bought these on Amazon because I love them. So yeah, I'm going to have an organise of all of the sweet stuff. We've got lollies over here. Whenever the lollies are on offer, I buy a pack because 3 kids having a nice bowl a day. They don't last very long. Extra porridge that I'm going to put into the porridge tub. So let's organise this. Right, we've got grown-up snacks that are sweet and then grown-up snacks that are savoury. And then we've got chocolate for baking, the kids' biscuits and stuff. This is a couple more bits of snacks. Foxy's waffles, he has these in the morning and they've been sold out everywhere for months. So whenever I see them, I get a couple of packets. These are like jelly sweets, Aria's soy milk, marshmallows and lollies. So all we have left now to do is this pantry, which I'm now going to empty. Okay, I think we're finished. So I've got tomato stuff over there, beans, coconut milk, a random white sauce which is never going to get used. It's probably going to go to the food bank. Beans, lentils, because we eat a lot of those. Soup, potatoes. These are just like extra bits, so like an extra yeast, extra jalapenos, and then extra custard. Down here we've got extras as well, so like green curry sauce, pesto, lime juice, dressing, salt, crackers, Alpro yogurts, condensed milk, pineapple, tomato puree, polenta and some gnocchi. That's that. All this is done. All that end's done. I'm very happy. I know it probably looks quite similar to you, but for me this is really nice, having everything in an order where it is meant to be. So I've got rid of a lot of packaging. This bin was empty this morning, and it's just been filled with packets and boxes and stuff, so it's nice to be able to condense things. But yeah, that was the pantry. Let me know where you want me to do next. I have already filmed episode 3 and 4, which is Fox's bedroom. So yeah, let me know in the comments what room or what area you want me to do next. Please subscribe and thank you so much for watching. I love you, bye.